Huawei's Mate X6 folding smartphone launched in November, and the company is already working on its successor, which we assume will be called Mate X7. Some details about what we can expect from it have been leaked in China, so let's take a look. The Mate X7 allegedly has a 7.95-inch LTPO OLED inner folding screen with 2K resolution and ultra-thin glass on top. It will come with a high rating for water resistance, and overall it will be another ultra-thin book-style foldable device. For the main camera, Huawei is currently testing two solutions, one using a 50MP 1/1.56-inch type sensor, the other using a 50MP 1/1.3-inch type sensor, both with physical variable aperture. A 50MP periscope telephoto with macro abilities. So the Mate X7 is looking like a good upgrade compared to its predecessor for sure. It's unclear exactly when it will be made official, but we assume we're still a few months away at this point. We'll let you know when we find out more about it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.